Okay, student and professionals and friends, today our lesson number 4 from unit number 1. What is the basic concept of this lesson? Validating the step for system conversion. Whenever a system conversion is occurred, what steps are validated by a developer? Objective: after completing this lesson, you will be able to assess the steps necessary and successful system conversion. Conversion scenario number 1. With a system conversion, customer takes their existing SAP ERP and converts to an SAP S/4HANA on-premise system. The specific steps vary depending on the particulars of the SAP ERP system being converted. Broadly speaking, we can differentiate between the following two different scenarios. Scenario number 1. SAP ERP running on any database. This will be the scenario number 1. SAP ERP running on the SAP S/4HANA even version 1, even version 2. This will be the scenario number 2. Let's we discuss scenario number 1. SAP ERP running on any database. For the first scenario, the current non-SAP S/4HANA database is replaced totally with the SAP S/4HANA database version 2.0. None SAP S/4HANA 1.0, 2.0 directly. Afterwards, a conversion of the database model takes place from SAP ERP to SAP S/4HANA. Finally, a code upgrade is done. SAP S/4HANA code is installed and replaced SAP ERP code. This will be totally replacement directly to the SAP S/4HANA version 2.0. Scenario number 2. SAP ERP running on SAP S/4HANA either 1.0 or 2.0. If SAP ERP is running SAP S/4HANA 1.0 or either 2.0, for the second scenario, since the SAP ERP system is already using a SAP S/4HANA database, the first step is to check if the version is SAP S/4HANA 1.0. If so, it is upgraded to SAP S/4HANA version 2. Afterwards, the conversion of the data model and code upgrade is done. The same as the first scenario. Same like that, the first scenario, you will upgrade to the SAP S/4HANA 2.0. Afterwards, you will convert the data model and code upgrade is done, the same as the first. It is important to note that for the both scenarios, the database data and software are converted in the same technical process. Therefore, only one system downtime is necessary. So this one our second, even fourth one lesson from the unit 1, and second one option we discuss second scenario. So if you feel any value and any help from this free notes and free video, and you can also study and read on my website. I will provide the link in description freely on my website anytime according to your facility. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Best of luck.